Imagine walking into a town where everywhere you look, there are cats. On rooftops, in doorways, along the streets, not just a handful, but hundreds. In this place, cats don't just live alongside people, they outnumber them. But how does a town like this exist? What happens when the balance shifts from human to feline? And why do people keep coming back, not to see monuments or history, but for the cats themselves? This is the story of the town where cats outnumber people. A place that's part paradise, part mystery, and a window into how humans and animals share the same space. Part 1, the location and first impressions. Introduce real cat towns, Dar's Islands, examples Aoshima Island in Japan, Tashirojima, Cat Island, or Hutong in Taiwan. Describe atmosphere, abandoned buildings, quiet streets, cats lounging everywhere. Tourists' first reactions. They often come for the novelty, but leave with fascination. Locals' daily life revolves around cats, feeding, protecting, sometimes even worshipping them. Walking into Aoshima, for example, feels like stepping into another world. Only a few dozen humans live here, but more than 200 cats call it home. The streets are silent, except for the soft patter of paws and the occasional chorus of meows. Part 2, how it all began. Historical context. Cats brought in by fishermen to control mice that damaged fishing nets. With declining human populations, people leaving rural towns, cats multiplied. Shrinking human presence meant cats became the new majority. Stories from elders about when the shift happened. Part 3, the daily life of a cat. Town locals feed the cats, often treating them like community pets. Special shelters, feeding stations, or even shrines dedicated to cats. Cats are free but respected. Tourists bring cat food, creating a strange cat economy. Cafes, souvenirs, and tourism money fueled by feline fame. Part 4, global attention. Viral images on Instagram and YouTube brought international fame. Documentaries and travel shows highlight these places. Cat lovers worldwide dream of visiting, turning these towns into Mecca for cat people. Some towns struggling with over-tourism, too many visitors, not enough infrastructure. Part 5, similar cat havens around the world. Other examples, Rome, Italy, cats roaming freely in ancient ruins. Istanbul, Turkey, citywide culture of feeding and protecting street cats. Kalkan, Turkey, and Hutong, Taiwan, feline-centered tourism. Compare cultural attitudes toward cats, from sacred protectors to beloved companions. Part 6, the balance between humans and cats. Pros, companionship, tourism income, cultural identity. Cons, overpopulation, health concerns, environmental impact on birds, wildlife. Debates. Should cats be left alone, or should humans intervene to control populations? How towns manage the balance. Spay-neuter programs, feeding regulations, volunteer groups. Part 7. What it teaches us about coexistence. Philosophical reflection. Humans built these towns, then left, and nature, in the form of cats, took over. Shows resilience of animals in adapting to human environments. Symbolizes how animals and humans can build unusual communities. In the end, the town where cats outnumber people is more than just a curiosity. It's a mirror of our relationship with animals, how we shape them and how they in turn shape us. For some, it's a paradise of purring companions. For others, it's a challenge of coexistence. But no matter how you see it, one thing is certain. The cats aren't just surviving here. They're thriving. And maybe, just maybe, in the quiet streets filled with whiskers and tails, they remind us that the world we build doesn't just belong to us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible stories from around the world.